How to clear device search history on Play Store. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is simple, go to Play Store. As you can see, this is the home page right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top and click on your profile like this. Now scroll down and go to the settings option. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Now go to the top and click on general. Click on account and device preferences, and right here you will find many options. Scroll down until you find clear device search history. As you can see, click on it and click clear history right here. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.